I came here the biggest skeptic you can ever make. I was willing to go home after this and say, no, I'm out, I'm done. But sitting there for 3 days, I've probably learnt more about business in 3 days than I have in 10 years. I've been an independent contractor.
The amount of business training we're getting in general, like obviously running your books, running the business, we can't find that anywhere else.
It's been really great to learn new, different ways of doing things I haven't done before. I've never used to do a zipper, so I'm all over that now.
And there's a good balance as well with the different trainers that are coming in and to talk to you. We had Dan earlier and he's all about, I want the very best customers, I'm a $2 a minute guy and that's the kind of customers I want. Then you've got John comes in and he's like, I want to sit down and have a cup of tea with my client afterwards if they want to have a chat, because I know that that's what they want, and I want to be that best person for them.
I don't want to even leave the training session, to be honest. I just find it really engaging. I've learned a lot in these last 2 days.
I wanted to get independent originally, but then gyms came across social media. Thought it's a good idea because it's a lot more harder to get jobs just on my own name rather than having someone else's name on my back.
Do your research, do the Google searches, get onto YouTube, look at all the videos. You'll feel it. You'll feel it. You'll feel the support there. If you have questions, ask them. Ask your franchisor before you sign your contracts.
I think the biggest one was Jim. When he came in on that first day, and I knew he was a real man, I knew he was a real figure, but I thought we'd actually just get a video of a guy at the front, yeah, I'm Jim, this is what I do, blah, blah, blah. But to actually see the man taking his time out for a multi-million-dollar business that he runs to come and talk to a bunch of people that he doesn't know, that really lifted the spirits to say, hey, look, he's dedicated. He's dedicated to raising his business. He's not sitting at home in a mansion just saying, oh, just give him the money, give him the money.
Jim is very inspirational. Like, he's invested in everyone, wants people to contact him when he, if you've got questions.
His philosophies and just him going through the paces and how he's made his brand and business a success is just, it's awesome.
The more he earns, the more he wants to give back. He's there, he's giving you all the tools, the paperwork guarantee for that first year. That gives you a safety net. That convinced my husband that we would be okay.
I've chatted to him a couple of times, had dinner with him the other night. From the first time we met him up in the centre, we knew, from the way he talks to you, it's just like every other person here.
Being someone in his position, I thought we'd just be numbers to him, but yeah, we feel like a big family, a good community. So he's actually a really, really good man. Very, very, very humble for the position he's in. He also gave me his personal number, so if I have any problems, definitely feel free to call him whenever I want. So that's fantastic.
I just want to prove to my family that I am worth more than what I was getting with my cleaning, and that I can do that and still love my job. So that's my goal. I want to teach my daughter that she can do a job that she loves.